welcome back to Out of the Box. My name is Kezia, and today I am opening up my package from Sweet V. The company's founded in 2010 has engaged in offering exquisite accessories to brides around the globe, helping them complete the perfect look for their big day. For over 11 years, they have proudly served over 100,000 brides worldwide. So I found Sweet V, and so I said I have to get one of those crowns because I love crowns. I have a bunch of crowns. And so this is my box, and so I'm gonna open it up for y'all so y'all can see what my crown looks like. So here we go. Still can't find my scissors, but we can open it. Oh, how cute! I love this little box. Oops. I love this little box. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's precious. Okay. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh. And I saw this one had seashells and pink, and I love seashells and pink. And so this is perfect to watch The Little Mermaid, and now that's on Disney Plus. And it comes with pins. Look at that. So I've seen a lot of girls get these. I'm excited I had to get one because I love crowns. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. It's heavy. Look at that though. But isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, it has so many colors in it. The pink, the green, the blue. Oh my gosh. This is just so gorgeous. I love this so much. Oh my goodness. And I love Under the Sea. I love The Little Mermaid. I love all the characters from both of, the live action and the animated version. And so it's just absolutely so mermaidy, and I love it. Y'all, thank you so much for coming with me on this unboxing, and also let's not forget to support our small businesses. I understand that sometimes supporting a small business can be a little bit more expensive than buying from other brands, but let's not forget that these people have bills to pay and families to feed as well. Y'all, thank you so much for joining me on this unboxing. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next unboxing. Bye!